This video is about countries with most motorbikes in the world. Bahrain with 1.8k bikes, Qatar with 1.9k bikes, Zambia with 3k bikes, Azerbaijan with 3.2k bikes, United Arab Emirates with 8.4k bikes, Iceland with 10.6k bikes, Cyprus with 15k bikes, Bermuda with 16.1k bikes, Kuwait with 19.1k bikes, Malawi with 20k bikes, Luxembourg with 22.6k bikes, Latvia with 24.8k bikes, Bosnia and Herzegovina with 32k bikes, Malta with 33.2k bikes, Albania with 33.7k bikes, Serbia with 38.2k bikes, Estonia with 42k bikes, Ireland with 44.8k bikes, Lithuania with 52.3k bikes, Kazakhstan with 61.7k bikes, Slovenia with 70.3k bikes, Mauritius with 88.4k bikes, Slovakia with 95.3k bikes, Rwanda with 110k bikes, Romania with 119.5k bikes, Israel with 139.2k bikes, Algeria with 139.8k bikes, Singapore with 141k bikes, Denmark with 158.6k bikes, El Salvador with 171.3k bikes, Croatia with 173k bikes, Hungary with 175.8k bikes, Ecuador with 180k bikes, Norway with 191.7k bikes, Morocco with 197.2k bikes, Bulgaria with 209.8k bikes, Ethiopia with 243.4k bikes, New Zealand with 250k bikes, France with 270k bikes, Venezuela with 275k bikes, Chile with 285.4k bikes, Finland with 285.7k bikes, Sweden with 330.5k bikes, Sri Lanka with 338.4k bikes, South Africa with 346.6k bikes, Cambodia with 370k bikes, Peru with 425.4k bikes, Belgium with 440.4k bikes, Austria with 467k bikes, Cameroon with 500k bikes, Uganda with 500k bikes. Kazakh Republic with 570.3k bikes. Paraguay with 624.2k bikes. Bolivia with 640.6k bikes. Costa Rica with 650k bikes. Netherlands with 680k bikes. Switzerland with 729.1k bikes. Canada with 736.2k bikes. Ukraine with 840k bikes. Australia with 913.8k bikes. Honduras with 993.6k bikes. Kenya with 1 million bikes. Tanzania with 1 million bikes. Poland with 1.2 million bikes. United Kingdom with 1.3 million bikes. Uruguay with 1.3 million bikes. Portugal with 1.3 million bikes. Mongolia with 1.4 million bikes. Greece with 1.7 million bikes. Guatemala with 1.7 million bikes. Spain with 2.1 million bikes. South Korea with 2.3 million bikes. Russia with 2.4 million bikes. Burkina Faso with 2.4 million bikes. Nepal with 2.5 million bikes. Dominican Republic with 2.9 million bikes. Egypt with 3.3 million bikes. Turkey with 3.7 million bikes. Germany with 3.8 million bikes. Bangladesh with 4.1 million bikes. Mexico with 4.8 million bikes. Italy with 5.2 million bikes. Argentina with 6 million bikes. Oman with 6.6 million bikes. Philippines with 7.3 million bikes. Nigeria with 8 million bikes. United States with 8.6 million bikes. Colombia with 9.4 million bikes. Japan with 10.3 million bikes. Iran with 11.7 million bikes. Brazil with 12.9 million bikes. Taiwan with 14 million bikes. Saudi Arabia with 14.2 million bikes. Malaysia with 14.9 million bikes. Pakistan with 17.5 million bikes. Thailand with 21.6 million bikes. Vietnam with 58 million bikes. China with 85 million bikes. Indonesia with 112 million bikes. India with 221 million bikes. For more videos, subscribe this channel. Also like this video.